So if you have a kid who likes to be in the kitchen, a Harford County Chefs Academy could be right up their alley. It hasn't been open long, but already young chefs are putting their skills to good use. 11 News reporter Jennifer Franciotti has the delicious details.
Inside the Young Chefs Academy in Bel Air.
So our recipe today is coconut banana muffins.
Future chefs are hard at work. They're learning skills until now they've only seen on TV.
Eggs Benedict with hollandaise sauce, cauliflower pizza.
The story is the same for all these kids. We watch MasterChef Junior. We watch the Baking Championship, and we want to be in this cooking arena.
Like how they were able to do that, so then I kind of wanted to do that. So I thought it was really cool that there was this class.
The Young Chefs Academy opened in February. They offer cooking classes for kids 4 to 18. They learn how to read recipes, how to measure, and how to work as a team.
Honestly, I just like the fact that they let us do it by ourselves, and if we need help, they help us.
The kids are so energetic about cooking. They love coming in here and just getting their hands in and doing these recipes.
Kids can sign up for drop-in classes or take courses by the month, and that's not all.
So we do birthday parties, field trips, workshops, summer camps.
A teaspoon of confidence and a scoop of passion, the right ingredients for Harford County's next junior chefs. Jennifer Franciotti, WBAL TV 11 News.
Thank you, Jennifer, for introducing us to our next generation of master chefs. That's it for 11 News at 5:30. Here's a look at what's coming up at 10 o'clock on MeTV Baltimore.